If you're looking for a way to save money and reduce all of those monthly subscription bills to zero, save all that money, put it in your pocket with a one-time payment, let me introduce the V6 Max. All right, now we're presented here. We're going to do this as a straight intro. So I'm going to just go live with you as we're messing with the box. I want you guys to kind of see exactly how it boots, exactly how it loads. So that's kind of what we're going to do here. As you can see, this is all done in real time. The first shot here is going to be, of course, on YouTube. And of course, like always on YouTube, we can't show much details on YouTube. So check that link below and watch the full what you get video over on Rumble. That'll help you guys understand exactly what's going on here. So let's go ahead. We're going to select it. And of course, this unit here comes with a brand new remote. And I know everybody's kind of interested in these remotes, but this remote right here actually has the light up feature. So it's got the backlight. So I think that's really nice. So what we're doing is we are programming the remote at the moment. We're going to select our screen size, which you can do that. This is all pretty much self-explanatory. Eastern Daylight. I always use a Wi-Fi connection. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to set up the Wi-Fi connection. And I just use the 2.4 gigahertz band. I know this video may seem long because we're going to try to record this a different way this time. So it may not be fast like all my other videos, guys, just to give you a heads up, but I wanted you all to see real time of how well these units work. This is just my preliminary review. I mean, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to put in the password here. And I may skip around a little bit, so. Now, once we're connected to our wireless, now I do all of my tests using a 2.4 gigahertz wireless connection. So I want you guys to understand that as well. Of course, you're presented with the disclaimer notice here that they're not responsible for whatever you do with the box. And then now we are ready to rock and roll. As you can see here over on YouTube, guys, this is what the box actually comes preloaded with. You can actually check it out. It has YouTube, it has Netflix, it has all your basic stuff. It also has its own particular marketplace. So we're going to click on that marketplace. You're going to go in here. We're going to see what all is available in the marketplace as additional add-ons if you want to download them and install them. These are actually pretty cool to use as well. So sometimes it's actually cool to come in here and find things that you particularly wouldn't find on any other unit. Okay, so let's go back. I know this is a new remote, so please be patient with me. I am actually learning this remote. Okay, so on this remote, it has a home button instead of a back button. I don't necessarily see a back button, but it does have a home button. So I'm assuming the home button is what you will be using on this remote. We're going to go down. We're going to check out the system information. We're going to look around at things. This is the V6 Max unit. This is the newest vSeeBoxes that are out on the market. Shows the build date of September. Let's go back and hit the home button. And you also have an exit button, so that could probably suffice as your back button here. This is where you actually get lifetime updates on the product. You can do that locally, but it's mainly wanting to be done online, so you don't ever want to try to do a local update unless it's something that you later on want to do on your own. But I would always trust it straight from the manufacturer. And like I said, on this unit, always get it from the direct manufacturer. You can find that link below. You can also find the full video below over on Rumble. It's going to give you way more in depth than I can give you here on YouTube. So keep that in mind because I can show you everything you need to see over on Rumble. So here you can see we're in the settings. You can go to your device controls. It has your pretty much basic Android TV type settings. But this right here is where the box actually shines. So you're looking at, it does have the Heat Live, the Heat VOD, the Heat Ultra, which is Heat VOD. You got your backup by Heat. You got the contact. You got your internet speed test. You have a web browser. I mean, it's pretty much just your basic stuff, except for these apps right here is what makes these units so special. And like I said, if you want to find out what this can do, be sure to check the video down on Rumble. I just wanted to kind of give you all a brief heads up on what's coming over on Rumble in the full video. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in part 2 over on Rumble. I'll also leave a link to purchase this below if this is something you're interested in. Using my link will give you 10% off and 2-day free shipping to your door. That's in the United States. So you'll get 10% off plus your free 2 to 3 day shipping to your door. This has been the Mad Review. I'll catch you over on Rumble.